how to change the DNS settings in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your settings. So go to search for settings, and then open it up. And then on the left hand side, go to network and internet. So here go to Wi-Fi, and then tap on the Wi-Fi name that you're using, and then scroll down, and here you'll find the DNS server assignment. Tap on edit, and here tap on the drop down, set it to manual, and from here you'll be able to change the DNS settings. You can just toggle the IP that you want, and here you can just put in the DNS that you want to. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.